Okay, everyone, I'm posting videos of small engines I have for sale. I'm getting out of the hobby of, or mostly getting out of the hobby of collecting garden tractors. Okay, this was a Troy-built vacuum chipper shredder thing that I dismantled. Briggs and Stratton engine. Wait, let's see. Briggs and Stratton engine, CSV space 060, 625 cc's. No, wait. 190 cc's, 625 series. Okay, 6.25 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see. There is the, let me turn down. Yeah, I don't see a good model and serial number on this one. But this one was spitting fuel out of the carburetor, so I think the carburetor is going to need to be rebuilt. I got this from a friend summer of 2024. I have videos of this double disc. It's basically two agrafab discs bolted together. I have videos of it on my Boyd the Goofball channel. I think 6 or 7 videos of it. I have it on the Minneapolis Craigslist, $350 firm. As it is, if you want to just buy one disc, well, I'll unbolt them and sell them separately. If I do separate them, I'm keeping the perforated steel bar, and I'm keeping the Reese tow bar brackets. I'm going to keep those if nobody wants to buy the double disc. Okay. On to, okay. These were engines I got from a coworker who just doesn't like to have stuff sitting around in his garage. Briggs and Stratton Quantum XE 6.0 horsepower. Okay, the engine does rotate. Let's get video of the model 12H 702-177. Is that a 3? I think that's a 3. 773 space 67 space 0 space 000-12659. That's the numbers from it. I don't know if it runs or not. Yeah, I got it from him March of this year, 2024. This is the other engine I got from him. This came off of a DR chipper, and the recoil on it was defective, so DR just sent him a new engine to put on it. It is a warranty claim. Let's see. Okay, that's the sticker on it. So I mean, it hasn't been used very much. I don't know if that's a kill wire or if it has a stator. But the recoil needs to be replaced. That's basically all that's wrong with it. See how, well, you know, it's a little bit dusty, but see how new it looks? Okay, let's go with, okay, let's look at more numbers on it. There, serial number, model number. You know, she looks pretty darn good. Doesn't have a lot of use on it. Yep. See? Looks like she's almost brand new. So I'd take $100 on this engine. This engine here, 25 firm on that one. I'd love to. The one mower I'm going to keep is this Boland's Villa. Sorry, I've had a cold for about 2.5 weeks. Kind of hard to find a Boland's Villa. I got one of them. Got it, I think, March of 2022. It's a rear steer mower. The mower deck's out front. It's a neat little mower. Haven't had it running. The guy said he replaced the coil, and I just haven't gotten around to tinkering with it, but that's the one I'm going to keep. By chance, if someone around western Minnesota or western Wisconsin or eastern Minnesota has one, southern Minnesota, maybe they want to trade for stuff I have. I don't know. Okay, well, heck, I'm posting video, a lot of stuff for sale. I have a complete hydraulic system from a Toro 117 Groundsmaster. It's one I have video on my Boyd the Goofball channel. I have it running from the video summer of 2020. I don't know if it was June or July, a little bit after the riots happened here in the Twin Cities. So I got the lift cylinder. There's the pump and motor. There's the tank. It's a whole system right there for sale. Plus there's another pump motor from another Groundsmaster, another 117. That one was starting to wear out, so that's for parts or repair. I got a whole bunch of Toro, like 117, 118, 120 Groundsmaster and Proline caster frames. Some of these, like, you know, this with this corner here, that's from a commercial walk behind. The other ones these other ones are from Groundsmaster mowers. So I got casters, I got caster frames. So those are for sale. Back here I got a Snapper SPA 360 36-inch commercial walk-behind mower. I added casters to the rear. I was going to turn it into a wing mower. Never finished it. Darn Lyme disease. Okay, there's a full trash pump right there. It doesn't run. I have to check it for spark. There's some more casters right there. Oh boy. Dixie chopper. I don't know. I might not get to that until the spring. I don't have heat in the barn. I have parts from more parts from Toro 117 Groundsmaster mowers. Steering towers, rear axles, rear tires and wheels. Excuse me for burping. What else? I got lots of stuff for sale. I don't know. I just decided it's time to own a lot less stuff. The Brindley back blade, I'm not ready to sell that yet. When it's time for me to move out of my storage here on the old farm that I rent storage at, then I'll sell it, but not yet. Not yet. Maybe later. All right, look for ads on the Minneapolis, Minnesota Craigslist. Let's see. Yeah, that's a front axle, wheels and tires from a either a Sears four-wheel steer mower or that might have been a Scott's four-wheel steer mower. I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff in the other barn. Okay, I have videos of this spike aerator new in the box. I got another video I already put up of the, I don't know if it was a Brindley or AgriFab one bottom plow new in the box. Oh, it's back there. It's back there. Yeah, back there, new in the box. Not assembled yet. I paid $500 for that thing a year ago. So yeah, look in Minneapolis, Minnesota Craigslist. I'll post stuff on Facebook Marketplace from Stillwater, Minnesota. All right, thanks for watching. See you. Bye.